Let's have a look at drawing the most important three materials in architecture, which are wood, stainless steel, and glass. So for wood, wood is represented by wood grain. The simplest way is to draw a wood grain. I also recommend hatching. You hatch one element and you skip one, and you hatch one and you skip one. But you also can do wood this way, just without hatching. By the way, this isn't a very accurate representation of wood. It doesn't need to be brown, it could be any color. For stainless steel, you need to have the reflections. So here you've got very intense reflections, like this. Then you've got a grey face, where you've got a shadow. You can also add a reflection on this. Okay, it's reflecting the opposite side, and this needs to have also some strong reflections. This is how stainless steel works. It has these reflections which are distorted. But for glass, easiest way to draw glass is transparency, as in show what's happening on the other side. You can hatch the planes, yeah. Each of these planes in a way that it shows what's happening on the inside. Control this other face. Right. Also, you have a shadowed face. Cool. So this is an intro on materials. Take care, draw nicely.